Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm just continuing my previous class. So till previous class, I explained I given the introduction of backup and restore and explained with example, but still I have not started a practical. So after just giving the introductions and theory, I will start practically how to do these things. Okay. So in this video, basically I am going to focus on automatic restore point in Synapse dedicated SQL pool. So automatic restore point in Synapse dedicated SQL pool is is a built-in feature that creates a restore point. So snapshots are a built-in feature that creates a restore point. So we don't need to create any of the restore point from ourselves or manually. It is a built-in feature. It is default enable and it happened time to time. Okay, and it is based on the product design. So we cannot interfere in this. Next thing is the dedicated SQL pool should be in active state for restore point creation. So to just for automatic restore point, this there is a one condition, it should be in the active state, but if it is in the pause state, automatic restore cannot happen. Okay, now next is a snapshot of your data warehouse are taken throughout the day, creating restore point that are available for 7 days. So what does it mean? It's mean is very simple. So snapshots of the data warehouse are taken throughout the day, means entire day the snapshots happen, and for every snapshots one restore points creates. So using that restore point only we can restore the database to the previous states, and every restore points available only for the next 7 days. Okay, so just assume this restore happen at 7:12 p.m. Okay, uh, on 17 March. Okay, so after 24 March 7:12 p.m. this will be deleted. Okay, and another restore point restore happen at 18 March 7 a.m. So on 24 March it will be available, but after 25 March 7 a.m. it won't be available because at the back end it will be deleted. So this is the product design, we cannot interfere in this. Okay, now next is the user defined. Okay, so in the user defined we have to create a restore point, or can say we have to take a backup manually. So when we take a backup or when we take a snapshots, one restore point will create. So using that restore point we can restore the dedicated pool. So basically when we create a user defined, so just assume automatic restore point is a system design, we cannot interfere on this. Okay, and when we have to make some large modification inside the dedicated pool, in that case before making the changes the best practice is to backup. So in the normal practice also, if we make some changes or some big changes and we have a chance we may have some mistake or accidentally we can do something, in that case we took a backup. Okay, so same case here also. So if we are going to make some changes or large modification, then we should not rely on automatic restore points. So because we don't know when automatic restore points happen. Okay, so in that case we can create a user defined restore points. So how to create a user defined restore points, I will explain in the upcoming video through portal and through PowerShell. Okay, another, there are some restriction in defined restore point, that is user defined restore point are available only for 7 days and are automatically deleted on your behalf. So if we create a user defined restore point, it will also be available only for the next 7 day. After 7 day it will be deleted. Okay, so that is not in our hand. Another thing is 42 user defined restore point are guaranteed at any point of time, so they must be deleted before creating another restore points. So at the point of time we can create up to 42 user defined restore point. More than 42 user defined restore point is not possible. Okay, so if we have to create, then first one should be we have to delete something. Okay, so these are the concept of backup and restore in Synapse dedicated SQL pool. So in the upcoming videos I will explain, like I will start practically how to take how to create a user defined restore points. Automatic restore point we don't need to show, because it's happen at backend, so it is not in our control. But I will show you how to do user defined how to create user defined restore points using portal and using PowerShell. Okay, then I will explain you how to restore the dedicated pool after creating a restore points. Okay, and another thing, when we drop a dedicated SQL pool, a final snapshot is created and saved for 7 days. So whenever we drop any of the dedicated SQL pool, final snapshots is created. So we don't need to create; it's happen automatically. Okay, but the thing is, dedicated pool should be in active state. If it is not in active state, then restore point won't create. Okay, if the dedicated SQL pool is dropped in a pause state, no snapshots is taken. Okay, in that scenario, make CO to create a user defined restore point before dropping the dedicated SQL pool. So just assume there is just some pool which is in a pause state and we have to drop. So in that case we have to make sure, if we need further, then we have to make sure we should create a user defined restore point, because uh, for Pod state dedicated SQL pool in Azure Synapse, automatic restore points never happen. Okay, so if it is in active state, no need to worry. Okay, but if it is in the pod state, we must have to create a user defined restore point. So in the next video, I will show you how to create user defined store points using Azure portal. Thank you.